Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how to change the headlight bulb in a 2015 Mustang. Now, I just so happen to have this headlight already off because I had to do work on the front end of the car. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a screwdriver and you take the screwdriver and you put it right here. And just put it on there real, push back on it real slow. Real slow, because you don't want to damage nothing. Just like that, real slow. And then the connector comes off. Okay, now once that's off, let me turn this way. This is the connector that connects to the computer box that goes here. So what I want to do, I want to fish this out because I need to put this one in a new headlight. Okay, so I got this out. And then we got a new headlight. We need to switch this because the new headlight don't come with this. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to get the light out. And I don't know if you can see this. See, it's two clips. Now these clips, normally you just push it to the side. Okay, I push one to the side that you can see is pushed to the side. Okay, so now I take this one. Let me see if I'm pushing down on it. Yeah, I push down on it just a little bit. So now you got both of these clips, which should make this come out. Okay, see that? You want to be very careful because you don't want to blow the bulb. Time to put the light back in. Go ahead, put the light in. Okay, and then you got to make sure it's flush. Okay, it's flush. Okay, then you take these clips and you push them back over. Back on that same way. Just like that. And just push it all the way up. Okay, and then once you do that, you twist the cap back on. And that's how you change the bulb. Okay, now that you got the wires in and the headlight in, you hook the computer up. You got two plugs. And then you just plug these back up. And then once you plug them up, put the cap on, screw the cap back in.